In this video we will talk about Shopify, and I think it is a little bit a strange company, but now it is extremely cheap. Here you can see my screener, and it is number 54. Shopify expected price to sales 15, CAGR 1.3, and I can expect $653 in the end of this year, and it is plus 74%. And also you can see this comment, I don't see any value, but it is a little bit not honest, because if a lot of people using one service, this service can be extremely valuable because they spend a lot of money to make it, and that is why the product can be really perfect. Here you can see the pricing, and they have a basic Shopify Advanced Plus Lite for $10, and also they have Shopify Plus starting at $2,000 per month or higher for big companies like Heinz and other. Basic for $29 per month, best for new e-commerce businesses with occasional in-person sales. You can find a lot of examples on the website, and from my point of view, I think you can make the same but cheaper, but it is completely interesting when you don't need a specialist to do all the stuff with your website, and you can manage it by yourself. We will check the presentation, and if it is not interesting for you, you can use a timeline. Large brands, small and medium businesses, and entrepreneurs. Extremely huge total addressable market, $160 billion, and it is interesting. Again, some examples like Elf Ceramics, and then some Taylor and Twine watch company, and they all use Shopify payments, ShopPay installments. Plus, small businesses can use their POS services, and maybe it can be really interesting because with a firm, maybe you can improve your sales. Direct-to-consumer, 50% direct-to-consumer market growth in 2021. More consumers are buying from Shopify stores. In 2021, they reached close to 600 million shoppers, and it is awesome. Here you can see the product innovation, and maybe acquiring of Deliver or other things can improve your sales again. Huge partner ecosystem, and partners always push sales in the right direction, and definitely it is okay. 40,000 plus ecosystem partners referred at least one merchant to Shopify in the last 12 months. Here you can see a share of United States retail e-commerce sales 2021, and Shopify it is 10.3%. It is quite big. More merchants joined the platform, and you can see 38% CAGR, and it is extremely interesting. More merchants, more channels and partners and capabilities, more GMV. If you will check this company on the Guru Focus, you will see that Guru Focus value $1,700, and it is quite high because now it is $369. Definitely we can expect some upside. But you also can find this not really nice numbers, net income minus $1.4 billion. But I think it is not fair to count stocks in a net income, but GAAP rules think different. Shopify Inc. own some shares of different companies. They have Affirm Holdings, 20 million shares, and GLBE, Global E-Online. If we will check these companies, you can find maybe minus $400 million in GLBE, and minus $1 billion in Affirm from $101 per share to $45. And as you can see, this trend still with us, and now we can see minus 37%. If we wouldn't count the shares, Affirm and Global E Online, we can see that they are profitable. And it is definitely good. Gross margin 53%, and total revenue in the first quarter grew 22% to $1.2 billion. And from my point of view, we can expect 30% at the end of this year revenue CAGR. Here you can see the model, and actually you were able to buy Shopify with the same prices maybe in 2019. And if we will count price to sales 15 as a fair value, we can expect plus 50% in this stock, because now's price to sales 9.8, and even if we will lower price to sales maybe to 14, 13, 12, 11 or 10, we still have some room to grow. From my point of view, it is a yes to buy stock, and I will definitely add it to my portfolio when I will have space in it. What do you think about Shopify? Please write down your thoughts in the comment section below.